Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to restart your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to restart your Xiaomi Google TV? It's just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, go inside the setting option. So after going inside the setting option, you just need to come to the option called, you can just need to swipe down and just go to the system option. After going into the system option, you have to go inside this, click on this select the system option, then just go to the bottom section, and here you have this option called restart. Click on this, and now it shows restart. Now you have two option called cancel and restart. Click on the restart option. So this will restart your Xiaomi TV, Google TV. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.